It's really annoying when you have to enter a password every time you open your own PDF. And if you want to share it with someone or print it quickly, the password just makes it harder. Don't worry, I'll show you how to remove the password from your PDF permanently using Systweak PDF Editor. But just to be clear, this tutorial is not about hacking PDFs or opening logged files without a password. This method works only if you know the password and want to remove it, so you don't have to enter it again and again. Let's now see how to remove a password from a PDF file using Systweak PDF Editor. Open the PDF file in the application. When prompted, enter the password to open the file and then click on Unlock PDF. Now at the top menu, click on the Secure tab, then select Unprotect. If prompted, enter the password required for security changes and click Unlock PDF. Uncheck first checkbox option to remove the password required to open the document. And uncheck second checkbox option to remove the password required to change document security. Finally, click Save and you're done. And that's it, your PDF is now unprotected. You can open it anytime without needing a password. So this is how simple it is to remove a password from a PDF using Systweak PDF Editor. You can scan the QR code visible on the screen to download and install Systweak PDF Editor from the website. You can watch the other tutorials by clicking on the playlist link given in the description. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. It's a small click for you, but it keeps us going and brings more helpful content your way. Got a question or stuck somewhere? Drop it in the comments and I'll personally reply and try to help every viewer. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you in the next one.